How good is DJI Neo following me first in the woodlands and then B on the public roads? How did it go? Well, there were some glitches, as you will see in this video.
Look how fairly quick and easy it is. I still haven't bought the case for the drone, but that will come, okay? My boots are slippery as I was in the mud over there. Nice. This is all muddy. It just doesn't make sense to go and drop the bike. This should do. Here it will be some grip, so that's lovely. Here it should be fine. Here as well. Let's go out from here, otherwise I'll drop the bike somewhere. I still didn't put the crash bars on it. So, yeah, he followed me good 500 meters. No issues whatsoever. Come on here. Come on. Land. It was lovely, actually. That, I think, worked out fairly well. Someone commented on YouTube, can you do follow at speeds with far, medium and close? Look, I will not do, I will just do the low, flat and high, but not the not middle distance and close distance, because what I realized was when I did test me running and the drone was following me, when I suddenly stopped, the drone had the tendency to continue and to almost crash into me, and that I don't want to do when I'm on the bike. So I'm not testing the medium and close distance. I always will use far. Also because I'm in the picture, like full. Other than that, if I want to have a close-up follow, I can just put the selfie stick here and put the Insta360 camera, and that's basically the same thing. So far for me is enough. I will try the low, flat and high up distance. Right, I switch off the cameras for now and just ride somewhere where I think I could do some more tests with the drone, and where it will not be as slippery as it is everywhere here. Yeah, what I was thinking, really, what I was thinking, because it's been raining and it's this kind of slippery mud. Don't let me down, okay? Because we're on a bloody public road. 45 kilometers, so basically 20 miles an hour.
Have you noticed how the drone struggled somehow to focus on me?
And I lost him.
Maybe I've been too far and the light conditions were not really good anymore because it was late in the afternoon.
But at least the hover's there. That's always good.
Look how when I came back closer to the drone, he immediately recognized me again, refocused, and started following me again without any intervention on my side.
Oh, come on, Murid. I know, I was too quick on you. Let's go. "25 kilometers.
Notice here how the drone will veer off its course, flying above the tarmac surface to the left-hand side of the road. When I was filming this clip, I attributed this to the side wind from the right-hand side. But surely this must have been something else, and I will come back later on in this video why I think that happened.
I know it's windy. Come on, land. Now let's go.
At this point in time, I didn't want to give the drone too much of a hard time, so I slowed down a bit and kept the speed between 25 to 27 kilometers per hour. If you watch carefully, you will see the glitch in focusing again and me losing the drone even at this speed. That got me thinking what it could be, and we will get back to it later on in this video as I promised earlier on. See again how it was enough to get just close enough to the drone so that it would refocus on me and started following me again.
So come on, let's go a little bit further away. When I was in the 30 kilometers range, I don't know whether it's light or what it is, but it wasn't as good. Come on, land. Right, what I would love to do is just follow from a little bit higher up, but for that I have to change the setting via mobile. Follow far high. Okay. Someone asked me in the comments in the last video if the drone is able to land on the palm of my hand when I have my gloves on. Yes, it was. I tested it a couple of times. That was fairly solid. There was no issue with that at all whatsoever.
Follow 3, 2, 1.
Where are you? So let's see.
As I was running out of daylight, I decided it was time to do one final test at a higher speed, this time in the range of 35 to 38 kilometers an hour. You could see a few focusing issues on me, by the drone again, up until the point when it finally stopped following me again and I had to go back for it.
Come on, Murid. Man. So I lost him and I floored it a little bit over what it could have been, 37 kilometers, but if I'm up to 30, doing up to 30 kilometers, so a bit less than 20 miles an hour, because 20 miles an hour would be what, 35-ish. Up until then it's pretty fine, as you could see. Another day of testing and playing with DJI Neo. I love it. So afternoon on the bike, it was lovely. We did some funny and crazy stuff. I almost ditched the bike twice. It was good fun. So as you can see, I'm out again today for one reason. Yesterday, when I did the follow test with my DJI Neo that I familiarly, jovially call Mareed follower, there was something strange. When I had the drone following me on a gravel path like this one and in the woodlands, so well-textured surface, it had no problem whatsoever. At one point I did well over 35 kilometers / 20 miles an hour. But then, when I had the drone following me on the road on a smooth tarmac, and I went to speeds around 25, 27, 30 kilometers an hour, the drone started behaving strangely, and I thought, well, that's because the speed is too high, I'm going too fast. It's clear and obvious, it cannot follow me at higher speeds than maybe 27 to 40, but then I was like, oh, hang on, but the drone behaves like it wants to go sideways, like to the one side of the road, to the other. This must be something else, and then I remembered this video from YouTube.
Hey there, John Wilde. In a typical ADHD fashion, I couldn't remember your channel name, so I just quickly went out from our home to give you a shout out now.
We did a test on flying the drone with two sensors blinded with the tape and how it behaved solely just relying on the GPS. So I thought, hang on, if the drone, all it sees following me at the lower heights, all it sees and senses from the sensor is a grayish tarmac and nothing else, it might be confused because of that. So today I'm here to test that theory on this road, and I just hope I will not bump on someone walking their dog or people riding horses here, because it's Sunday, it's a fairly frequently used walk path. I just don't want to cause trouble, so wish me luck. We will just try there and back, quick follow, just to confirm the theory that if the drone follows me in the well-textured environment, it behaves differently than on the tarmac. And plus it's quite windy today as well, so we will see how it all goes.
Follow. Far. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So, let's experiment. Where are you? "25, 30 kilometers. He's still behind me. On the tarmac yesterday, I would have already lost him. This is good. Where is he? Where is he? There, 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 here, I think. Is it? No. Alright. Let's go and see where he is. Here. No. Here. Here he is. Come on, Marit. It's too windy for you, right? What did you do? Alright. So that was a crash. He's alright. Just a little bit dirty from the grass as the engine was still spinning, but other than that, looks good. Alright. So that was the first crash. Oh well. So it's gusts of wind, and I think I had it 2 up above. Technically I don't think I lost it, it must have crashed into the tree, but I will see it on the footage. Alright, let me just quickly connect. I'll change the settings and then we try once more. You see how much windy it is today compared to yesterday. So basically what you want from the drone is to follow me at 35 kilometers an hour while also struggling with the side wind. You see how he struggles. No wonder that it hit the tree. So let's see what happens. I will try to have a look in my mirror. Looks alright. "22 kilometers. "27, 28, 30, no issues up to 30 kilometers. Yesterday when I was testing it, it would struggle sometimes. At one point I would lose it around 25 to 27 kilometers because it would start wiggling from one side to another to avoid the tarmac. So I think this confirms the theory. So come on, Marit. Land. Nice. I wanted to do a droning here. Just for fun.
10 meters. Droning. 3, 2, 1.
Look how lovely it is today. It's just so lovely. Fights against the wind towards me. It as well. It's really impressive. Really. Come on, little one. I love it. Alright. I'm happy with the tests today. And we had a crash as well, which will be on the video as well. We crashed it. Look, there was so much gusts of wind from this side, this direction, that I'm not surprised that something like this happened. The drone perfectly survived. I just need to clean him a little bit. Look, it's just dirty, but no damage whatsoever. I'm thinking of buying some of the extra protections which are not too heavy. It doesn't make the drone too heavy, and maybe just if it just takes away 1 or 2 minutes of the flight time, then I'm not too obsessed about whether or not a minute or 2 or 3 or even 5, it doesn't make that much a difference, does it? So yeah, the theory I think is confirmed. DJI Neo may have a little bit of a struggle to follow you on a smooth surface, which is not only water but it's tarmac as well, because it just loses its sense of orientation. Now, the other thing that would be lovely to test is this. How about having, and that is something I would need to check with the app. It takes quite a while before the DJI Neo sees and connects and gets signal for at least what it was, 17, 18, 19 plus satellites, and anything beyond that the drone started behave strangely. And of course yesterday when I was doing the follow me on the public road tarmac test, I switched on the drone, it took off in the follow mode, and I'm pretty sure there were not many satellites available to it. So that might be it. I might test that a little bit further, but for now I think this was fairly conclusive. And now look at how beautiful it is today. I will go for a quick ride just to maybe do a little vlog or something. See you next time.
And